up, everybody? Welcome back to the Adventures of Zach. So this is the sound test of that Danmoto Carbon GP exhaust I was telling you guys about. Alright, so this is just to show you guys. This is what it looks like on the bike. Come back to here a little. That's what it looks like. I think it looks pretty good. Doesn't look bad. Let's fire up from a standstill. You guys can hear it. Alright guys, so we had a little bit of a dilemma there. My GoPro started giving me that stupid SD card error thing again. I went ahead and just ordered a new one. There'll be a short clip that you guys just watched of me actually riding down the street, getting up to about 40 miles an hour. The sound test, standstill, startup sound test and all that I did for you guys. Just wanted to give you my little thoughts and everything that I think of it. So I think it sounds pretty damn good. I don't think it's that loud. I don't think it's that bad. I'm going to try to do a decibel meter test on it and just at least get you guys the decibel readout of the exhaust at idle and things like that. Hopefully I can do that. I don't really need to do one for the factory because everybody knows the factory OEM pipes, they're so quiet. It's like a scooter. It's like an electric scooter. So I don't think I need to test that one. It might be all in your head thinking of it, and I think I'll feel it more so when I'm in the woods. But the weight savings, I swear, I'm telling you, man, you can feel that the rear end is lighter. It just feels more nimble. Again, it could just be in my head right now. Once I get it back in the woods, we'll really see how it feels as far as lightweight and everything goes. But other than that, I mean, I think it sounds pretty damn good. I think it looks good on the bike, as you can see. And I think it sounds pretty damn good. It doesn't look like it's piss poor quality or nothing. It doesn't look like it's something that is, you know, the quality of it doesn't look like it is as cheap as it actually is. Get a little bit more rides with it in. Take it back in the woods. See how it is there. Other than that, though, guys, that's it. Adventure Zach is out, guys. Peace.